Welcome to the S-Ray demo. We'll show two examples of how users can utilize S-Ray. The first user is security conscious, while the other is security indifferent. Both will be visiting the same link received from an instant messenger, which poses great danger. However, we'll show how S-Ray can reduce the risk of such casual browsing. The user clicks on the link on her instant messenger window. This diverts her to an S-Ray landing page because this is her first visit to that page. Note that the web page security ratings in terms of permit and forbid counts are displayed. S-Ray shows the highest trusted order user group that has made permit forbid decisions with regards to this web page. In this case, the highest order group that permitted this page is a security vendor denoted by the shield icon, while the highest order group that forbids the page is a registered user denoted by the 3% icon. Mouse over displays all other user group decisions. These are known as community situational advice. They are from community members who have visited the page before. Naturally, we should trust the security vendor more, so we permit the page. Although there are many ways to do so, being paranoid, we choose the just take a look option, which retrieves only the base web page. The base page appears. We can activate a mini pull down to control how to proceed. Based on the situational advice, the permit and forbid, we can make decisions for domain or the entire site. However, being security conscious, this user can select the more option. And this is visible security in full glory. You can see three things: the number of web flows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 2, you can see community situational advice for each web flow, the permit and the forbid. And number 3, you can see the number of the 4 W's: where, what, when, and why of each web flow. Where is the web flow from? For content that may be harmful, you can view what it is. And when, in this case, is the time the user accesses the web page. With these visual cues, the user can determine why the web flow occurs. So we want to retrieve the image entitled hand. Type in our user ID and password and click go. But nothing happens. Let us use visible security to understand what is going on. The first thing that jumps out is the some web flows has been vendor approved. Note the shield icon. You can view the content like previously if you are tech savvy. If you aren't, then a quick glance at the details may help. So there are many security descriptions for this web flow. We can select the top one. It tells you that this JavaScript is needed for the art pieces to be viewed. Now we understand why the web page is not working. We can follow this situational advice, and if the outcome is positive, we can vote by clicking this positively for the user. A poor rating can lower the appearance of that security description and affect the reputation of the security vendor or user who provides it. So we permit the script. And we repeat the process. Now the script is working. However, there is still no hand image. Remember, S-Ray blesses a user with per webflow control. So we need to retrieve the more option to permit the hand image itself. You can see the link is here. However, do you notice that there is another link trying to send your user ID and password to another third-party site? With S-Ray's fine-grained control, we can just permit the hand to reduce the risk of unwanted web flows. There we go. The hand appears. That's visible security in action. But hang on, what if a user is security indifferent? She does not want to be exposed to all those details, nor does she want to click. Thus far, we have been using S-Ray as an anonymous user. In this gray browser, we show someone with an S-Ray account. She logs in. As a registered user, you can choose someone you trust. In this case, this user trusts Coro, who is a security vendor. This is called the Automatic Trusted Node, or ATM. When she visits the same link, notice that there is no S-Ray landing page. She can see the map of the store and even the script works. Finally, the hand is retrieved. All this happens because Coro, the security vendor, has already made all these security decisions, and this user merely follows everything that has been permitted or forbidden by Coro, the security vendor. So it is very convenient. Oh, and before we go, if you are using Firefox, currently we have a feature for you to easily turn S-Ray on or off. Now we have turned it off. If you visit the same link, you can see the entire page without S-Ray. That's it for the demo. Please try out S-Ray. We need your help to secure the web.